So when it comes to weight loss, it's important to understand that it's a process. And like all processes, it takes time. So when time is a factor, planning becomes very, very important because we all have busy lives. We all have different things that we have to do. So when we plan, we set ourselves up for success. Now, there's a couple different ways you can go about a typical day when you're trying to lose weight. One way that you can do this is through intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves not eating for a certain amount of time and then eating for the remainder of that time. So in a 24-hour period, you would maybe fast for 16 hours and eat for 8. Typical day would be fasting starting at 8 p.m., and then finishing the fast at noon the next day. And then between noon and 8 p.m. the following day, that's when you eat your meals and your snacks. Okay? When you structure it that way, you kind of set yourself up for success because you know when you're going to be eating and you know when you're not going to be eating. Another way you can set it up is doing an 8 weeks to wellness style where we eat 5 to 6 small to medium-sized meals a day. What this does is it always has our digestive system active and it keeps our insulin levels stable so we're not having any spikes that are going to promote fat storage. So it starts with a breakfast and then a small to medium-sized meal mid-morning, small to medium-sized lunch, mid-afternoon, and then dinner as well. The portion sizes are smaller so we're not eating these large portions that are going to help us store more fat. When we're eating this way, it keeps our digestive nice and even keeled, which is optimal for digestion. So when you're planning to lose weight, it's really, really important that you find what works for your schedule. And what that takes is making it a priority. It's easy to make a decision to eat fast food. It's easy to eat something that isn't healthy or quick. But when you take the time to prepare ahead of time, whether that's through meal prep or meal planning for your grocery shopping, those are effective ways to help set you up for success and reach the goals that you want to.